Hey Jordan, thanks for talking with me earlier. My name is Max, as you can see, and again, I just wanted to, throw out there that Mike Osborne did give me your number, so you can thank him for this. I've thanked him for this already. But yeah, it was nice chatting with you. I know that you said you didn't have a website, so I was just going to use this website that I built and that is currently ranking for Tallahassee painters, and I will show you that. So that's kind of the general gist here, is to rank in Google for these select terms that people are searching, and to come up number one in this Google Map Pack, or to beat out Superior Painting here organically. As you can see, this website is on the front page, but it's here at the very bottom. It is a pretty new website, so Google doesn't quite trust it just yet because it is really new. So eventually it will get up there. But I'm going to use this as the example today because you said you didn't have one, and you're looking to build one. So hopefully this helps. So we're going to be going over three main things, and that's the content on your homepage, the backlinks to your website, and citations throughout the web. So if I copy everything here that you see on this homepage, including what the pictures are saved as, and I throw it into this word counter, you can see that it has right under 1,800 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and it wants it to be relevant with these specific keywords. So I have these exact keywords that I'm trying to rank for throughout my home page here. As you can see, obviously it's right here at the top, as Tallahassee Painters right there. So that makes it relevant to these search terms. The second and foremost thing is backlinks. So if I copy this URL here, and I also throw it into Ahrefs, you can see that I have 316 backlinks coming from 81 different websites. So obviously Google trusts these backlinks, and it trusts my website. That's what this DR means, and UR is how many backlinks are coming in from different websites. So again, this could be a factor as to why it's not on the very top, but it is at the front page. And my website, this one in particular that we're talking about, has brought in about 5 leads, which have accumulated maybe like $20,000 of painting. But once I get this number to match this number, then the website health will be perfect, and then it will rank to the top. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you is citations, and this has strictly to do with the GMB here. So we're going to use Superior Painting as the example today. What a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, like the Chamber of Commerce, Yelp, even Facebook has a directory that you can put it in. And that just makes their Google My Business page a lot more relevant to these search terms. Superior Painting has 40 last time I checked. This one has about 8, I believe, but it's in the process of getting more. So if you wanted to, you could go in there and get like 60 to 80 citations on your website, throughout the web, and then your website would be a lot more relevant to these search terms, and you could outpass Superior Painting and start bringing in, I don't know if I showed you this, but there's 260 people every month searching for painters in Tallahassee. So if you rank in the Google Map Pack, you get about 65% of those. So as you can tell, 50 to 65% of the 260 is at least 130 leads every month. So as you can tell, that is quite a bit. That's why the value is here to build your website in such a way that it does rank in Google. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And if you would, just contact me anyways and let me know what your thoughts on this video. I will be calling you tomorrow at 9 a.m. like I said, just to kind of get some feedback on the video. So I appreciate your time, and thank you.